Welcome to this fully furnished and beautifully maintained two-story townhouse offering the perfect blend of comfort, functionality, and modern living. This 1,372 heated square foot home is designed to meet the needs of both families and savvy investors. Step into an open floor plan that seamlessly connects the stunning kitchen, dining, and living areas, perfect for entertaining or enjoying quiet nights at home. In addition, the main level includes a well-designed home office and a conveniently located, comfortable and spacious primary suite with its own en-suite bathroom. The kitchen features sleek finishes, ample cabinetry, and contemporary appliances, making it a true centerpiece of the home. In the second floor, you'll find additional living space with a versatile loft area. The amazing second suite is thematically designed inspired by world-famous entertainment park. The third suite in this property stands out as a significant asset for potential investors aiming for an outstanding Airbnb performance. Its generous size, coupled with fine finishing and a well-designed bathroom, creates a luxurious experience for guests. The property's blend of luxurious features and strategic amenities positions it as a prime investment opportunity in the short-term rental market. The modern concept and integrated design of the clubhouse invite guests to enjoy a great time. The fully equipped fitness center adds the young feeling of this gated community. And finally, an inviting swimming pool enhance its attractiveness, ensuring high occupancy rates and a steady influx of visitors. As a result, investors can anticipate a strong return on investment, as the property's appeal is amplified by its location situated just minutes from Walt Disney World, Universal Studios, and SeaWorld. This home is ideal for families looking to live near the magic or investors ready to tap into the booming short-term rental market. If you're interested in this property and would like more information, I'm here to assist you.